before I'm alone, they all failed to stay. I wish I could say I'm okay, but I'm really dying from this pain. It's like I'm tied up with chains. It's like I'm alive but in hell, drowning in my own tears. There's all these voices in my head that I hear. I don't know who and what not to fear. I can see them, but when I cry, it's like they don't hear. I no longer know the reason why I'm here. I'm not suicidal, but if I was given the option, I'd choose to die right now, right here. I'm torn apart. All those that understand me are so far. I have no life, but some say I shine bright like a star. I am dead. They all said they love me, none of them could show it. Now I gotta teach everyone in my life how to love me like they said they do. Hey, I've never forced you to say I love you. I can't be punished and put on my knees to beg you. You can leave me if you want to. I've been alone for a long time. All I've ever wanted was someone to love me too. But who am I kidding? Ever since I lost my dad, the sky is no longer blue. No one fits in my shoes. I'm like a disease now. I'm cold and they cool. Everything I say is ignored. I'm the fool. Let me stay stuck to my phone and sit on the stool. Let me not waste your food. I'm full. Let me go stay at the mountains, watch the sun and the moon. Let me fly away freely like a balloon. I am dead. Your harsh words might not break me, but I swear these thoughts will kill me. They'll have me put in a coffin. I fantasize about being loved more often. I'm angry about everything. I wanna be softened. I wanna be fixed. I'm broken. I wanna be alive. Enough. I've spoken. I know for now it will be as if they hurt me, but no, I've accepted it. You will never appreciate or love me. What's the use to go out of my way for people who wouldn't even lie for me? If I stop breathing right now, tell me, would you cry for me? Just take the message and stop feeling sorry for me. I'm dead.